start developing our area to grow some vegetables and all that. This part, we're gonna basically build a raised bed in this area. And right over here, there's an existing one already, but we're gonna just basically continue the whole thing all the way from there to all the way here to over there. We're gonna start off small. The goal is to obviously start growing our own food and growing our things more organic and more fresh. So this is what we're gonna do today. So we've already started over here, and we're using cinder blocks right now, and then we'll just basically line the whole thing here. On this side, our goal here is actually to grow vining crops like what they call it here is upo, patola, and ampalaya. So this is how it looks like right now. There's a couple of plants we got. I'm not sure if you guys recall our tour, our garden tour. I'll make sure to put a link above in case you haven't seen that yet. But these are the balloon guys, and we've cleared this area now just to make sure that it's ready to get planted. So what I have here is a hammer, a tape measure, and string, and a couple of pieces of bamboo that we're going to use as stakes. So we can start measuring, and just to make sure that we have a straight line when we start putting the cinder blocks along here. Brief introduction. I got Dominic here. He's actually been helping me around on the property. He's been doing a lot of good work in terms of cleaning the area, making sure that the surroundings look good and all that. And I'll be seeing him in a lot of our clips. So Dominic has been in the family for quite a while. He actually, back in the day, he had the opportunity to basically take care of Molly's grandfather. And yeah, so now that we're here, he's back in our family again. So Dominic, say hi.
Hi, I'm here to help as well. So what should I do? I jumped because there's a frog over there. I'm usually not scared of frogs. It's just that I wasn't expecting it.
As you guys can notice, it doesn't need to be 100% perfect. My main goal here is just to make sure that the cinder blocks is somewhat leveled and straight. And then I'm going to be ordering some extra soil to fill this up. And then yeah, hopefully we could get planting soon. I got a couple of seedlings going on right now, and as soon as they're ready, we're gonna plant them on this raised bed. And there it is. So I guess this is the first step of building our grow area here. So this is how it looks like right now. So as you notice, we've already started, but we're actually putting some coconut husk charcoal that my brother-in-law actually gave to us. He has a store and he doesn't need this anymore. So he's basically letting us use it so that we could add some nutrients to the soil. We're basically going to build the soil to improve it, to make things better when we actually grow stuff. So this is how it looks like right now. And this is the first raised bed that we're actually building on the property. So we'll go ahead and grab some more bags and then lay them on the raised bed. I've ordered some soil that's going to be coming in about a couple of days or so, and then we'll lay that on top of it. The coconut charcoal that we're actually putting is all crushed up, and that's the reason behind why Molly's daughter basically gave this to us, is to use it. But most of the time what it looks like is actual coconut husk charcoal. Looks like this. They're all in pieces, and it's basically used for cooking down here. But in this case, if you leave it too long, it becomes all powderized like this, and it's no longer viable for that purpose. So hence we're actually using it right now. So there we go. So this is actually day 2 of our project, making our first raised bed on the property. And yeah, as soon as we get the soil in, we'll go ahead and mix it up with all of this, and hopefully this is enough to start growing some really nice organic vegetables here. So I'll keep you guys posted. See you guys in a bit. for today. As you noticed, we actually filled the look who's here. Our small friend again, Max. Max, get out of there. Come here. Yeah, so we're gonna end our vlog for today. As you guys noticed, this is our first raised bed that we've actually built on the property, and we're gonna go ahead and start planting some seedlings here. So stay tuned for that one. We're actually starting to get some progress, which is positive. So again, for those of you guys who haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so, and make sure to hit the notification bell. We're going to be doing a lot of planting videos coming up soon and show you guys more progress in terms of our province life. So until next time, goodbye.